In this video, we're installing some aluminum shelving racks to store long pieces of wood in the Green Roof Ranch wood shop. As we get started, you'll see that we have to find the studs first. We want to make sure we get the screws that are holding the racking up into the stud. And then we want to make sure we set the level and plumb and work our way down the line, and we'll stack it full of wood. These were made by A&J Custom Metals, custom aluminum fabricated shelf brackets. A&J Custom Metals is our other business where we do custom metal fabrication for customers and for ourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Look for more content from Green Roof Ranch, A&J Custom Metals, and our other channel, Handy Dad, where we showcase household repairs, automotive basics, life skills, gardening, miscellaneous how-to videos.